Listen, this is advice
Guys,
for
please
anybody that's
listen
walking around
carefully,
London.
because this
Especially if you're walking
is
around London for
a
the first time.
warning.
Tourists, listen up. Even if
I've
you're born in
witnessed
London,
this
you better
by
listen up, because some of you are
myself,
not,
and
you're
it's
not clued up.
very,
Grips your phone
very,
tight.
very scary.
Grips it. If
All
you
they
have
do
your
is
phone
just
on the
ride on the
main
bike and
streets
they
of London,
snatch the
make
phone
sure your
out
phone is
of your
gripped.
hand. So
Grip
you
it.
need
The
to
way
grip
they're
it
snatching
tight,
phones in
or you
London these
need to
days,
put it in
scary.
your pocket.
Scary.
Hi guys, Wagwan, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing, and subscribe. And if you're new, come on man, join the family.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, Wagwan in this Monday morning. It's Monday. I hope you had a lovely weekend, because in Britain the weather is changing. It's getting cold, as you can hear. I've got a cold all weekend, but I'm not bedridden. I've just been coughing and my throat was killing me, but you know what? I feel much better today. And don't worry about my headscarf, because I've got a problem and I don't know what to do. Now my hair is loosened and I've oiled it to the skull, so I've got to keep it covered so that the oil goes in and it doesn't mess up anything. But I don't know, I must have dry dandruff or something, but my hair hitches so bad. It is like I'm on the brink of shaving my hair, but you know I won't do that because I want to change different styles. Anyway, yeah, so that's the reason why I've got my scarf on and I'm going shopping, because guess what? This girl don't watch no one, because you know what? I'm so comfortable within myself, and not how people portray me or look at me. I don't give one backside, one shit. Anyway, my to-do list for today, Monday, is I'm going to the supermarket now and pick up some stuff, and then I have 2 more things to do, but maybe I can't do one. I've got to go to the doctor to repeat my prescription, because you know this girl has severe allergies, so I've got to get that under control. But touch wood, there's no wood in here, but touch something, this month I've been fine. I didn't have any flare-ups, which was so good. And I need to go to the eye doctor to do as well, to get my 2 of my glasses, they need tightening, but I might do one day and one the next day, because I don't want they think I'm taking the piss. So I need that to do, but the thing is, it's on different ends. One is like east and one is like west. And I don't want to be driving all over the place. So I might do that. Go to my doctor today because I need my tablets because I'm running out. And the eye doctor tomorrow because tomorrow is the beginning of my class. Oh my God, it's my first day. Anyway, let me roll on to let me go shopping and get this over. And my friends, they're watching my video. They know my schedule. My friend Aravan is like, oh, you're going to Costco? No, Aravan, I know you watch my videos. I'm not going to Costco today. It's next week. Bye. Hi guys, wagwan. It's Tuesday. It's a bleaky day today in London. But what can I say? The weather is changing and the time is changing. So we got to live with it because it is what it is. It's not gonna be summer all the time. Hence animal jumper and a gilet, a coat without sleeves. Anyway, I'm on my way to my first class, so pray for me because I didn't do any revision over the holiday, but it is what it is. I will catch up. No. Oh. Oh my God. It's a day, it's another day, it's another week. And oh my, it seems like I need to go Costco. As I was saying yesterday, I was going next week, but it seems like I might have to go Costco tomorrow or this afternoon because I've got no water at home. Anyway, let me walk my journey and I'll see you. I just finished my class, then I stop at Specsavers and I got my glasses tightened. So that's like 2 jobs done for today. So I'm rolling, I'm doing good. Let me pop into the pound shop and see what's here. Pound shop is not pound shop anymore, it's Pound Plus. There was nothing in that pound shop I wanted, so I make a quick U-turn. Now I'm on my way home, struggling with a little bag. But listen, the first day of school, this man hit us with a diagnostic test. You tell me now, can't you just let us wean in like a baby, little by little? Not a test on the first flipping day. And to top it off, we don't even get the result until next week. Hey, so you don't even know if you did good or you did bad. But it is what it is. My mind is working overload because I've got so much stuff to do. I want to go to Costco, but my husband's supposed to put up a roller blind, and if I leave, he's not gonna do it. I don't know what to do. I'm in a dilemma. Anyway, let me go to my yard and see what's up, what's up, what's up. Hey girl, what's up? Hey. Can you believe it? I made it to Costco. Well, you know, I've got my boy with me, and you know, he doesn't like the camera, but let's see how many things I can get. Anyway, I'll see y'all. Again. It's gonna be Christmas Eve. on this Jay.
I think, yeah, when we have our house sorted, we'll come back. I want to show you this.
What's it, Jaden? What do you do with that tea?
We didn't buy much thing. We saw that thing coming out and then she explained.
Can you believe I made it back home from Costco? Oh my god, it was a rough ride because there was so much traffic. But I'm home sitting waiting because it's raining. I need to take the stuff out because it's still at the back. And I'm waiting for my son to come back down. So I finally made it. It was a busy day today and my day is not even over because I have to go home. Well, upstairs. I'm home downstairs to cook my dinner. Man, my life is so busy sometimes. But you know what? I think I'll see you in about tomorrow, so peace out. I can't even pronounce my words later. And I forgot to say, I like Costco in the afternoon. In the morning, it is so busy. But in the afternoon, it's like melon. You can get everything because they keep restocking. So I think this is going to be my new thing to go in the evening or not in the morning. Ooh, look. My DIY eyelash, they are holding up, ain't it? I like it. So you know what? I stopped going to the shop to do my eyebrow. And now I'm going to stop to go do my lashes. And I've already stopped doing my hair. So it's a frugal lifestyle now. Because you see how the economy is getting so hard. I don't know what is going on. But you can't afford nothing nowadays. You have to be scrimping and scraping. And now you know about budget. If you couldn't budget before, I guess you'll be budgeting now. Because if you're not budgeting, you can't pay your bills. Your life gonna be in shambles. And trust me, you don't want bailiff to be knocking on your door, or you being kicked out of your place because you can't pay the rent. You have to do what you have to do. So shopping is have to be on a budget with clothes, with food. God, trust me, you don't have to buy the brand stuff because the supermarket value one is just the same product. It's just different name. I don't see the difference. Trust me. Anyway, I'm stop ranting. So tomorrow is another time. My plans for tomorrow, what are they? I need to go to the fish market. And I need to go to pick up to the pharmacy. Anyway, this is my son here. So see you later. Bye. Hi guys, same old me, just a different day. So today is Wednesday. And my mission for today is that I'm going to pick up my prescription. Not even my prescription, my medication. Because now it's been sent to the pharmacy. And then I'm going to run to the fish market. But I'm going to take I can't even pronounce the word. The snare. Don't let me say it. I'm going to take the park. I'm walking through the park. No driving today. Because, you know, it's the problem with parking on certain streets. So I'm going to walk. The word is keep bothering me. I know it. I just can't flipping pronounce it at the moment. Anyway. I'll show you some views. Because my park is very pretty. So you know how it goes. In London nowadays, it's so scary. You see me holding my phone and talking now. It's very tricky because they're grabbing phones. These men, I shouldn't even say men. These people, they ride the electric bikes, and because you're not even aware of them, they're like snatching phones. I witness it for myself. But I might find a clip on TikTok and insert it somewhere in my video, because this thing is getting out of hand. Can you imagine? You have your nice phone, and with all your information, because you know how phone is like nowadays. You've got your bank card, you've got your email, your password, some people, and all these things. I don't even think they want the phone, because at the end of the day, if it's an iPhone, it can't work anyway, because you're gonna lock it down. But then two damn thief, just go get your horn. Oh my god. Anyway, as you can see, the sun is shining. I'm a little bit cold, and I didn't even bring a jacket. I just wore a jumper. Anyway, I'll see you later. I remember the word now. It's scenic. Scenic view. I knew the word would come back to me, but guess what? It looked like the scenic view is gone, because look, that's it. I think they're making a movie. So that's the constructive they have all over the park. Oh god, I have to walk a long way around. Let's see if I can see the snake thing. And no one in the comment come and correct me. I knew the word that I wanted to say. It just didn't come when I wanted it. It happens at times, right? Right. They even block out the bloody pond as well. What is going on? What is going on? Got the little duckies. Sometimes I see these people running the park. I wish it could be me, but I'm so flipping lazy. Once I start, I only can do 2 steps and I'm done. I'm out of breath. I'm dying. I stopped even riding my bike. Oh my, I think I'm getting so lazy. But it's a cloudy day. I thought it was sunny because the sun was so shining this morning, and it tricked me. The fucking weather tricked me. Look at that man. He's doing so great. And I'm here. But I'm walking, so I think that's good too. I think this is amazing. Look at the sun. The sun is shining. guys, wagwan, happy Thursday. I'm all ready to go to work, but I don't know why I'm running. Sorry, since lately I'm running so late. I have like under an hour from my house to go to the city. Fingers crossed that there's no traffic and everything is okay. But my bus is coming in like 5 minutes time. Hi, this is Rita Hora's new collection of Primark. It dropped about I think Wednesday. Some pieces I do like and some pieces doesn't make sense, but I think it's in everyone's taste because everyone's different. I got the little pleated skirt for myself and 2 tops. That's about it. I think that's what I like in the collection. The bags were great, but it's a bit confusing because some of the skirts, it's for summer and summer is nearly over, but I guess it's got to do what it's got to do. The trousers were amazing. It's not my taste, but it would be for someone else's taste. It is amazing, and the jewelry is always bang on, and it is what it is. It's for everyone's own taste anyway, but it's like very preppy, like college style clothing, but it is the knitted pieces were just a few, but I just got 3 pieces, as I said. But you need to come along to Primark because you'll find something, because retail has been there for a while now. Hi guys, it's Friday. It's another day and I'm out early, bright and early till I nearly reach work. But I know why I don't come out early. There was too many school children on the bus today. But look, as you can see, I've got a new hairstyle, but my life is so full of drama because with this hairstyle comes drama, because the hair I bought to do it didn't work out. So luckily last night I remembered I used this hair before and I did take it out. I have a bit of cold and I did take it out and I washed it and I put it up so I could reuse it. So this is what I had to go back to. It's not giving, but it suits my face, so I might keep this for a couple of weeks and then I'll change it. But anyway, I'm early at work, so I might get some content in. So let me see what I can do. The sun is shining, but it's still cold. So we have to be wearing a coat. When I'm walking and talking in my phone, people keep looking. They must be saying, oh my god, this girl is crazy or something, or what is she doing? They're so fast and noisy. But I've got to get the content in. So I've got to do what I'm doing. Hi guys, we're in the autumn season and in Primark they've decorated and selling things for Halloween. I think Halloween season is coming soon, so these are the decoration in the home corner. You should come and check it out if you do celebrate Halloween, because most people don't. I don't really, but I like autumn. Autumn is one of the best seasons, different from summer, although summer is my favorite because it's gonna start getting cold. And guess what? I'm a Jamaican girl who likes the sun, but it looks so cozy and inviting when it's autumn. So you know what? If this is your thing, why not? Come and check it out.